Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is my 91 Honda Crx. I'm gonna try to rebuild the engine and then work my way onto the body of the car. I've had this car before, but I sold it to a friend, and then he was trying to get rid of it, so I bought it back from him. And I'm gonna see if I'll fix it up. A little rust coming in some spots, but yeah, it's gonna be a little fun project. Great car. What's up, guys? All right, I just finished taking out the swap. This is how it looks right now. There's a swap. This is the original SI motor, the D16 A6. I think the only thing I ever done to it was the distributor and the alternator. I didn't need it. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of restore it. Just make it look good. And this tool right here, this engine bay, looks horrible. I'm gonna use the OEM traction bar, or I could use the front mount. And I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna repaint it as well, take some rust off of it. Yeah. I got a lot of parts for it, just stacking up. Got some gaskets, the headers, some extra parts there, spark plugs. Basically doing mostly everything on the motor for it to run good, healthy. Got a clutch for it too. Yeah. I think I'm gonna start on the engine bay first, then the motor. But again, I want to do the harness. I want to redo this myself. I'm gonna see if I make it look clean or more nicer. Kind of like a semi-tuck on that harness because it looks horrible. And the engine bay too. Let's see if I do something about these wires, like running through the fender or something. And then the fuse box as well. I think I'm gonna put this one in the glove box. And yeah, redo everything. I'm gonna leave the brake lines, because I was thinking of tucking them, but I'll have to take the dash out and everything. I don't want to do that. What else? Oh yeah, I'm gonna relocate the battery. I'm gonna try to mount it on the side right here. Relocate the battery in the front, because right now it's in the back. I don't really like it in the back too much. What else? Oh yeah, one of the axles, one of the boots were ripped. I think it was this. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna need a new axle, the passenger side. The driver's side looks okay. It's just rusted. Looks pretty good though. No rips, nothing. Just dirty. Let's see if I get a new passenger side axle. Also, I ordered control arms, like little control arms, because these bushings are tearing. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's kind of dark. yeah.